Daming tao guys. Ayan, pipila ko sa immigration. Going to Hong Kong na. Ayan o, malaking aeroplano. Philippine Airlines.
Seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest in